Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This wig is from Elva Hair and this is going to be the second time I'm reviewing a wig by them. All the information is going to be in the description box below. So the information about this wig, it is a 13 by 6, 150 density ombre 1B/4/H27. The code is W343. It is a Brazilian lace front human hair wig. The 20 inches, guys, is going for $188. That's a steal of a deal, you guys. Definitely check them out. They have good hair, and this highlighted wig is everything. The lace looks beautiful. It is ear to ear, so 13 by 6. I do have it secured with some lace glue, and it is looking very natural. I did do a side part today, but I definitely wanted to emphasize the natural curls. I love where the highlight is placed. It's so nice because wherever you part it, it kind of frames your face. Look at it, it's beautiful. This is a wash and go, like if you don't want to do anything like where, you know, you have to style the hair, you don't need to do that for this wig. Of course, you can do like crimping, or you could do wand curls, or even straighten this hair. I think it's beautiful. It feels really comfortable. Yeah, I'm not having any issues with like it feeling super tight or anything like that. It fits really snugly, just like the last time. Their wigs fit my head really well. So if you have a larger head, I would suggest like looking into the sizes that they offer, because this one does fit me pretty snugly. I love the hairline. It is pretty plucked. It does look natural. You guys saw that I did pluck a bit of it because I just wanted to add a little bit more scalp. But yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm gonna zoom in really close for you guys to see. So this is in 20 inches, so it goes below my boobs. I haven't had any bad experiences with this company. The hair is beautiful, and I love this color for the summer. This hair is definitely worth the money. $188 US, that's a steal of a deal. Check them out. I love it. The density is really thick for $150. Look at that. The hair is very soft. My hand's running right through it. There's no tangling. So the hair has a slight smell to it, but it's not really off-putting. I do have some mousse in it, but I can still smell that smell. You know, it's not overbearing, but it's definitely there. I don't know about you guys, but is this like not giving you like Beyonce vibes? It's giving me Beyonce vibes. I love it. Definitely recommend this color. It looks so good. So guys, that's the end of this video. Definitely check them out. I'm gonna leave again all the information in the description box below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on these colored wigs. Do they look good on me? Do they look better than black hair? I'm used to always wearing like really dark hair, so when I switch it up with like the lighter colors, sometimes I just don't know how to feel like, but today I'm feeling good, definitely feeling good. I'm so glad that I styled it this way because I think it looks the most beautiful. I'm feeling it. Definitely gonna go take some pictures and enjoy this. I'm gonna be rocking this wig for the next few days, so I'm super excited to see what it looks like in the sunlight and try out some new styles. If you guys want an update on this hair, let me know in the comment section and I'll do that for you. And like I said, leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.